Welcome to Double G's Garage. So what do you do when you've got a beautiful day on a weekend and you got 2 cases of automotive clear with hardener and you got a 59 patina Beetle? I say you shoot it with clear. That's what I say. Yeah, we'll be performing only the finest rust encapsulation here. Get you over here and get your teeth all in it. If you hadn't seen this before, you pull the cap out, you shove it in the bottom, and you bang it on a hard surface. And then what that does, it puts the hardener in the clear. Then you shake and shake. Well, there you have it, step number one. Of course, I still got to get the fenders out and paint all them, but maybe you can see. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but she's shiny now. Shiny patina. Well, we'll see what else we might add more to this video, or we might just end it right here. But it's getting hot out here. But that's about it from Double G's Garage with the paint. So we'll see what else we get done. We might either make this a really short video, or we might add to it. But anyway, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for stopping by. Hey, next time we're going to be getting into the fun stuff: wheels, fenders, fender beading, start putting things back together. Even got the roof rack. All right, everybody, thanks. Appreciate all the support. Go ahead and share this video. Channel's growing every day. Appreciate it.